How to create a segment for your email list. First, click on the link provided in the description below to gain easy access on the tool we'll be using. Once there, log in your account or sign up if you don't already have one. After logging in, you will be directed to the dashboard. On the menu bar, click on Audience, and then select Segments. In the top right corner of the Segments page, click on the New button, and then select Segment. In the Choose Email List dialog box, select the desired email list where you want to add a segment. Once selected, click on the Start button. Now you need to create a custom segment. Click on Create Custom Segment. In the Fetch field, you'll find a drop-down list. From there, choose one of the following options to retrieve recipients from your email list. All to fetch all the matching recipients. Max number to fetch a maximum number of recipients. Max percent to fetch a maximum percentage of recipients. In the second drop-down list, you can specify how your segment rules should work. Choose the All option if you want to fetch recipients that match all the rules. Choose the Any option if you want to fetch recipients that match any of the rules. To add a rule, navigate to the Rules field. Define your rule by selecting items in the 3 drop-down lists. In the first drop-down list, choose the type of criteria to narrow down your target audience, such as member name, member email, or date added. In the second drop-down list, select the criteria method that determines what the rule should do. For example, is not, is before, is after, contains, or does not contain. In the third drop-down list, select the actual rule to process. The available options depend on your choices in the previous 2 drop-down lists. For instance, if you want to find recipients who have not opened a specific campaign, select Specific Campaign Opened in the first drop-down list, Is Not in the second drop-down list, and the campaign in the third drop-down list. In the top right corner of the page, you can see the number of recipients that match your segment in the Selected Members field. You can even click on Preview Members to get a glimpse of the matching recipients. If you wish to add more rules to your segment, simply click on Add Rule. This allows you to further narrow down the list of recipients contained in the segment. Once you're satisfied with your segment, click on Save Segment. On the Details page, you'll find the Segment Name field. Make sure to enter a name for your segment to easily identify it in the future.